Good afternoon. Our tutorial for today will be about ISM code or International Safety Management Code. So this code was derived because of Herald of Free Enterprise 193 casualties last March 6, 1987. So this is one of the most casualty that happened during this year. So we do not want this to happen. That's why we have ISM code, and it became entered into force last 1998 as per SOLAS Chapter 9, Management for Safe Operation of Ships. And it has key three objectives, and that is safety at sea, okay, prevention of human injury and loss of life, and avoidance of damage to marine environment and property. With this kind of objective, okay, all principal companies have their own version of safety management system. The safety management system is like a Bible where you can find all the regulations that we have in our industry, may it be SOLAS, SW, MARPOL, environmental, everything. So you just need to read the safety management system of the company. It provides different procedures such as company policies, okay, safety procedures, and guidelines, on how we can undertake our different jobs on board the vessel. So always read the safety management system and follow the different work permits checklist by your company. But their key purpose falls under three objectives. We do not want to happen again, the Herald of Free Enterprise. That's why we keep on teaching our crew about safety and remind them about safety reminders every time they go on board. So, of course, we would like to prevent the key factors of onboard accident, which is human error. So, as a crew, we have our responsibility in ourselves to make ourselves safety always, alright? Because we are exposed into different hazard on board the vessel. So I pray you safety always, and please take good care of yourselves on board the vessel. That's all. Thank you.